Hey everyone, I'm Renuka from No Code Work and I'm a UI UX designer. So in this video, I'm going to share you 4 useful AI Figma tools that's going to make your design process much more easier and faster. So stay tuned with this and let's get started with the video.
Down here at the bottom, you will see a star icon. Click on it and you will find all the AI features Figma has to offer. I'm going to show you 4 of them that personally I feel really helpful. The first one is the first draft. With this, you can create any app, landing page or a website design just by writing a prompt. For this demo, I have used the suggested prompts from Figma only. Once I selected the prompt, just wait for few seconds, Figma has automatically generated fully editable design for me. As you can see, I can change the colors and even I can change the text as well. With that, I can switch between dark mode and light mode as well. And here's the cool part, you can also write prompts to make changes inside the design. For example, I will write a prompt to make changes in the design, and I will write just add navigation bar names. So if you see, the names are updated in the bottom navigation, home, search and the other icons as well. With icons you can see the names and you can change the font, everything. The second one is rename layers. If you have worked on a design where all the layers say things like rectangle 1, 2, you know how messy it gets. With AI, you can rename all the layers logically in seconds. No more guessing which layer is which. So as you can see, I selected the box, the design, and I clicked on rename layers. So it has renamed all my layers with a proper naming so I don't get confused in any of the part. That's easy it is. So you don't have to waste your time renaming it or writing a name on it. Next one is rewrite content. Let's say you have placeholder text that sounds boring. Select it, ask AI to rewrite it, and it will make it more engaging. It is perfect for headings, taglines, or any copy you want to improve instantly. Here, I wanted to rewrite the hero text. So I selected the text and asked AI to rewrite it in a more casual way. And boom, it started generating in a more casual way. It instantly gave me a more casual sounding hero text that sounded more engaging. And finally, change language. So for this project, I switched the text to Arabic. If you are working for a global audience, AI can instantly translate your content into any language without even leaving Figma. This is super handy for testing in different languages layout. This makes the whole process way too much easier than expected. Earlier, it was not that easy to translate languages and everything, but now it has become so easy with the AI thing.